through them all like that at the nearest police station. You're in here at level 2 as well, mate. If I kill them, I'm gonna go come fight you on there.
Oh mate, there's a guy in a fucking...
Why? Nice. Where were we?
Driving on a motorbike.